So if you are someone that has very minimal room or your soil sucks and you can't grow anything, this is the container for you. So guys, what I have here, this is a mineral tub for cattle. This is what the minerals come in. You can get them at Tractor Supply, you can get them at your local farm bureau. And when farmers are done with these, they usually just get thrown out, but they're great for other things. This one I snagged yesterday when I was getting hay. I asked if I could have it, and it doesn't have any holes in it, so guess what I'm going to use it for? Watering trough for the calves on the side yard. Chickens are also going to love it too. What I normally use these for is I punch holes in the bottom and I fill them up with compost and soil, and I grow my medicinal herbs in there. I grow my bush tomatoes in there. I've grown peppers in there. I've grown everything in these. These are wonderful and they're sturdy. This isn't like flimsy plastic. It's hardcore, durable plastic.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, were we made to fall?
Okay, so since it's all rinsed out, ready to be filled now, I have gone and cut a piece of garden hose that had a hole in it, and I'm going to just suction water out of my rain barrel. Okay, so now that that little job's done, the calves in the side yard have a bigger watering trough other than just like a 3-gallon bucket. And now they can stay out here longer, and the chickens can actually get in here and get a drink if it's full enough too. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
I'm not lonely when solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken, so open I gave until empty. Got it all back by myself, now nobody can tempt me. If I